Currently there is no progress bar chart type in Excel. That means we will need to use a little creativity to build one. So in today's 5 minutes, you will not only be able to create a chart to track progress, but it will look extremely professional. So stay tuned. Hi, I am your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let's start. As a first step, we will need to create a small table that will hold our progress and pending percentages of our project. So over here, we will write progress say 20% and pending equal to 100% minus above cell. By doing this, we are sure that our percentage will never go beyond or below 100%. Next, we will select all our entered values and click on Insert. Then click on small arrow on Charts section. This will open the Chart dialog box. Then click on All Chart. Then select Bar from left hand side and click on second option, that is Stacked Bar. And again second option under Stacked Bar. And click OK. This will insert a stacked bar graph in our worksheet. Next, we will change the color of our bars. I recommend using dark shade of any color for progress bar and lighter shade of the same color for pending bar. We will also give border of darker shade to both the bars and increase the thickness of the border to 3 points. Further, we need progress percentage to be shown on the bar itself. So for this, we'll right click on the pending bar and select Add Data Labels. Then we'll right click on the data label and select Format Data Labels. This will open up a pane on the right hand side, and from this we'll select the last option, that is Inside Base under label position. This will shift the label to the left side in the pending bar. Now let us increase the font size of the label and make it bold. Next, we'll again click on the label until we get white dots around, and then go to formula bar and type equal to and select the cell where we have written our progress percentage and hit enter. Now we'll right click on the x-axis and click format axis. This will again open up a pane on the right hand side. Under bounds, we'll make maximum value as 1. Then we'll click on the blank area of the chart. This will make 3 buttons appear on the right hand side of the chart. We'll click on the first button and we'll get list of all the available chart elements. We'll untick all except the chart title and data labels. This will hide all unwanted elements from the chart. Next, we'll right click on the blank area of the chart and select Format Chart Area. Then select solid line under border and we'll change the color to the color of our progress bar. Further, we'll change the width to 3 points, and in the last, we can see the option of rounded corners. We'll check that. Now let us change the text of our chart title to Project Progress Bar and resize and reposition it. Finally, we'll resize the entire chart according to our need. And now our progress bar chart is not only looking professional, but it is also dynamic. That means whenever we change our progress percentage, the bar will change accordingly. So that's all in this video. If you found this video useful, please like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.